Hello students, I hope you are all well. Today I am going to start a new chapter of M Science, which is chapter 3, Give Me More. First of all students, what you are getting when you read chapter name, Give Me More. That someone want more. So who want more? Let's start this moral story. Once upon a time, a man and his wife lived happily in a village. They did not have any children. The couple were poor and had a squash plant in their backyard. Every day they plucked a squash fruit, boiled it, and ate it as part of their meal. They were happy eating squash fruit, but one day the squash plant stopped giving them fruits. And then the couple prayed to God that you haven't given us a baby yet. At least give us a squash fruit every day for our meal. And next morning they were surprised to see a white squash fruit on the plant. They had never seen a white squash fruit before. They eagerly waited for the fruit to ripen. After ripened the fruit, the lady was going to cut the fruit with knife. But suddenly she heard a voice from inside the fruit. Please stop, you will hurt me. And the shocked lady called her husband to listen to the speaking squash. At first, his husband didn't believe what her wife is telling. But suddenly they heard a voice. You can open the fruit, but don't hurt me, please. And the fruit opened very gently and carefully by the man. And what they saw? A beautiful baby suddenly appeared inside the fruit. The lady laid the baby on a mat on the floor. She brought a bucket of water and bathed the baby. As the water rolled from the baby's body, it turned into gold coins. And the lady kept on bathing the baby till, till all the water in the bucket got over. By now, they had collected a big pile of gold coins. Now the couple decided to build a palace and needed servants to look after the palace. But the lady wanted land too around the palace. Then the man told, let's bath the baby again to get more gold coins so we could buy land. But after some time, the couple became greedy and wanted two palaces. And again, they poured water on the baby to get more gold coins. But this time, the baby stood up and said, you wanted a palace, you wanted servants, then you wanted more land, and now you want two palaces. You both are so greedy. You will never be satisfied with what you have. I am going away. And the baby disappeared with all gold coins. The couple were left with nothing. They remained as poor as before. So students, what you have learned from this story? That be happy with what you have and enjoy it. Never become greedy. Offer your things to others and learn to share also. Now today's classwork for this session is read out this chapter carefully and write down the lesson you learned in a line from page number 21. You have to write down the lesson you learned in a line. I have written the lesson. Be happy with what you have and enjoy it. Okay. Now homework for today's class is question number 1 from page number 21. What will you do if your parents give you 20 rupees as pocket money? So you have to write what you will do when you will get the 20 rupees note by your parents. And next question number 2, check how greedy you are. Write how many you will take at the same time. So here are some things. So how many you take at the same time when someone offer you these things. Okay, you have to do by yourself. Question number 1 and 2 are class homework for you. Okay, till then, goodbye and have a nice day.